Welcome back. We are going to use the entire context we have created in order to write a sales video script. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure to give the chatbot enough context to write the script for the sales video exactly the way we want it. What we're going to do is to produce a PowerPoint style sales script of about 2 minutes. And so to do that, we're going to give the chatbot a prompt and we're going to write the information in here. Once we've written in our detailed prompt, we're now going to click enter. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script. We're going to ask the chatbot in order to write it in bullet point fashion, and we're going to ask the chatbot to write it for a longer period of time. So we're going to work within the context, and we're going to ask ChatGPT in order to rewrite the script, and we're going to write it for a little longer with this prompt. We're now going to click enter. Now you'll notice that the script is probably not 5 minutes long, and we might have to enter our own information in order to make it, but we do have a content starter. We have the information in all bullet points so that we can place it on our PowerPoint presentation, and we are now ready to begin writing our script for our sales video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.